The Catechism of Perseverance. Course 1, Chapter 6. Knowledge of God. God considered in His works. The third day of creation. Question: what did God do the third day? Answer: the third day, God gathered the sea in the place which He had prepared for it. He commanded the earth to appear and bring forth the green herbs, the plants, and the trees. Question: what observation do you make on the extent of the sea? Answer: on the extent of the sea, we observe that it is neither too great nor too small. If it were greater, the earth would be an uninhabitable marsh, because we have too much rain. If it were smaller, we should not have enough, the earth would be sterile, and we would die of famine. Question: how has God prevented the water of the sea from corrupting? Answer: God has prevented the water of the sea from corrupting by two means. 1. The ebbing and flowing of the sea. The sea is always in motion. During 6 hours, it forces the waters from its center to the shore, and during the next 6, it recalls them from the shore to its center. 2. The salt in the ocean. The waters of the sea are brackish and salty. The salt of the ocean has another advantage. It renders the water heavy and prevents the sun from drawing too great a quantity of it. Question: why are we indebted to the sea? Answer: we are indebted to the sea for a great many blessings. 1. It supplies us with rain, with fish, and with pearls. 2. It brings us, by the means of ships, the riches of all other countries. 3. It facilitates the propagation of the faith among all nations. Question: what did God do after He had gathered the sea into the place which He had prepared for it? Answer: after He had gathered the sea into the place which He had prepared for it, God made the dry land to appear, to which He gave the name earth, that is, sterile, to show us that the blessings which it affords us do not originate from the earth itself. Question: with what did God cover the earth? Answer: He covered it with green herbs, because green is the color best suited to our eye. Had He colored the earth red, black, or white, we could not have borne the sight. Question: with what properties did God invest the herbs? Answer: God invested the herbs with the property of bearing seeds to propagate and multiply their species, and thereby provide for our subsistence and the subsistence of animals, which are all made for our use. Question: how many parts are there in a plant? Answer: there are 4 parts in a plant. 1. The root, which fixes and nourishes the plant. 2. The stalk, which is destined to bear the seed and the fruit. 3. The leaf, which embellishes, warms, and nourishes it. 4. The seed or fruit, which serves for our wants and pleasures and for perpetuating the plant. Question: what do we conclude from this? Answer: from this we must conclude that it is sufficient to study only the smallest flower to fill us with confidence and love for God and make us exclaim with our Lord, "Not even Solomon in all his glory was arrayed as one of these. If God so clothed the grass of the field which today is, and tomorrow is thrown into the oven, how much more you, O ye of little faith?"